Want to start your own garment printing business? Customize and all-over print products and sell online. Become the ultimate all-over print garment expert. From cotton feel shirts and activewear to leg attire, All Over Print has plenty of products for you to offer. Print your design by Mutoh XpertJet 1682WR Dye Sublimation Printer. Prints up to 64 inches wide. Stunning results in both 4 colors and 8 colors ink setup. Gain both speed and quality print. With Kiwa Jet ink, you can achieve highly pigmented dye sublimation inks that feature quick dry, high ink transfer rate with vibrant colors and washability. Press with XPRESS M110-70, an industrial model developed to obtain higher productivity in the sublimation transfer application. With a transfer area of 70 by 110 centimeters, best option for those who are looking for high production performance and great cost benefit. All Over Print allows you to sell products customers love the most, which can be customized or personalized. Unlimited colors with no added cost. Kiwa Jet inks allows printing on cotton and polyester with equal quality features, 16 colors to choose from. Durable, quick and easy to make, no cracking, peeling, or fading in All Over Print. Soft feel on fabric, the garment is unchanged by the process. No stitching is required. Prints the whole shirt from front to back. No need for previous experience to succeed in this business. To know more about garment decoration and textile printing solutions, visit our website at www.texgraph.com.